Man, I wish they would come in. Put that.
Yeah,
Sorry,
man.
man.
That's fucked up, man. That shit.
Alright. Make sure I'm recording.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, I am
Let me
recording.
see if you're gonna be in the thing.
Look good? Alright, guys. Told y'all I was gonna give you this video. This is my unboxing video. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, it's kind of a pre-unboxing video because I've already kind of opened it up, as you see here. I don't know if I can see it. But I had to make sure it was the right package because sometimes Amazon be tripping about, well, it's not even Amazon. People besides Amazon be go ahead, they be dropping packages off early that I don't know about. I don't be having time to try to pay attention to my email. But anyways, this setup that I bought here, this Pacific mod, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on because I have a V6 and I'm not really trying to spend a lot of money on it. Well, this type of mod, I'm not really trying to spend a lot of money on. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this pre-unboxing, you could say. Like I said, I had to make sure it was the right thing in here. But yeah, go ahead and open this up, turn it the right way. And what I went with was my exhaust Flowmonster. It's an off-brand of like Flowmaster. You could say that. I mean, Flowmaster. But I seen this video, and I had to get two of them because I have a Chrysler, if you don't know, and I had to get two mufflers because I have two different mufflers. But I seen the video on YouTube. A guy had a white Chrysler, the exact same Chrysler as I have, same make and all that, but his was all white. And he did this mod on his Chrysler 300 and it sounded real good. He had a little other modifications to his airbox, but if y'all go back and watch my very first video, I'll put that link in the description to y'all can see my cold air intake that I installed. But yeah, let's get this out of the way. But yeah, it sounded the exhaust sounded real good. He had it all nice and weather perfect, and I really liked it. So I was like, I'm going to order it. I looked at the prices and I was amazed. I was like, man, just mufflers. They were $31 a piece. It came in total of $62. I was like, oh, that's a quick little mod I could do. So I went ahead and ordered them. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it is, what they look like. The Flowmonster 1 chamber and muffler, excuse me. The ones I have up there are like 40 pounds a piece, and they need to come off, and it just restricts a lot of things like gas mileage and power, all that type of stuff. And actually the dude, when he installed his in the video, he got way better gas mileage than when he bought his car stock. So I was like, man, I definitely would like to get this then and see what it'll do with me having a cold air intake. You know, I would definitely want to see what it'll do. So there it is, 1 chamber. Cut the stock ones off. This is the inlet, so this will be welded up, so it'll be, and then just like this, and this will be on the left side, and this one will be on the right side. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to get y'all a little clip in with me cutting the exhaust off, and then I ain't trying to make this video too long. It's too much editing. So I'll be back with y'all. You like the new exhaust? Huh? You like the new exhaust? Look, you like it? I don't think you're gonna like it when it's loud. Oh, too much love there, buddy. Too much love. Back up. Yeah, I think you like it. All right, y'all, we up here at Fit and Fusion. Car's already backed in. We're about to get to doing, you know. I already told y'all what I'm about to do. I don't need to keep talking about it. Oh, I hate going on this dirty ground. I look so good, but I don't give a damn. There's 1 and 2. Both coming off. Be right back. All right, y'all. We ran into a little difficulties. This right here couldn't get the job done. So see. So he ran to the store to go get some wheels for the Dremel. Why are you making so much noise? Huh? Why are you making so much noise? Be a good little puppy and be quiet. Anyways. So yeah, I took all them bolts out so we could try to drop it a little bit, but that ain't help. So he gonna go to the store and get some more wheels for the Dremel to cut it off, like I said before. And this should just fall off. I shouldn't need them screws no more, but I'm keeping them just in case. The guys who put it on might ask for them or something. You never know. But yeah, be right back with y'all. All right, guys, we got one of them out. Passenger side. Now on to that one. All right, guys, they're all off, and I'm about to give y'all a startup of no mufflers. Hey, it sounds good. Hit the gas. Hey. All right, y'all. This is probably gonna conclude this video. I don't know. I might make this one video, or I might make it 2 videos. I don't know. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. This your boy Gay Media, and I'm out. All right, guys. Before I really end the video, I want to give y'all a cold start. This is the next morning, by the way. So.